Hello students, we are going to discuss the formation of image by a plane mirror. So here we will imagine the point S as a light source. There will be two rays coming and falling on this mirror M and M dash, the rays SA and SB. Okay, so three things are clear. One, this is a light source S, this is the mirror M dash, this is the mirror, and there are two rays which are coming from this light source SA and SB. Okay, now we see that after falling on the mirror they get reflected back and it forms AP. The ray SB forms BQ. So here we can see that this is the falling ray SB and this is the reflecting ray BQ. Same like that, SA is the falling ray and AP is the reflecting one. Okay, so we draw the normal shears. You all know that what is normal? The line which is perpendicular to the mirror. So here AN is the normal and B and dash both are normals. So when we draw the rays AP and BQ, we find out that PAN and SAN both are equal to each other, like the second law of reflection, that which says the angle made by the incident ray and the reflected ray will be equal. So here will be PAN, this reflected ray PAN will be equal to the incident angle SAN, and same light in the case of second ray QBN dash will be equal to the angle SBN dash. Okay, now the two reflected rays AP and BQ, ये जो दोनों reflected ray हैं, when we produce them backward, अगर हम इसे पीछे की तरफ ऐसे बैकवर्ड ले जाके देखते हैं तो वी फाइंड आउट, जैसे कि अगर ऐसे रे रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है एंड वी जस्ट इमेजिन कि ये पीछे की तरफ भी ऐसे ऐसे आ रही है, तो एट अ पॉइंट वी फाइंड आउट दैट इट गेट मीट अप. The place where they both rays get meet up, S dash. Okay, this is the source. It's similar as the image of point S. ये जो S है ये इसी की इमेज की तरह एक इमेज पॉइंट सोर्स आपका S dash बनेगा. ठीक है, this is the point where the both reflected rays when putting backward get meet up. Now if we join S and S dash, it will cut mirror at a point O. अगर हम इन दोनों को ज्वाइन अप करते हैं तो it will cut the mirror at the point O. Okay, so what we find out? We find out that S dash O, this thing, will be equal to OS. It is clearly visible that both these things will be equal to each other, and same like that SOM. Okay, that SOM this will be equal to the S dash O M dash, because both are 90 degree. So we can easily write that SOM dash will be equal to the angle S dash OM dash, and both will be 90 degree. You can easily see it also. SOM dash ये एंगल हमारा और S dash OM dash ये जो दोनों एंगल हमारे हैं, क्योंकि दोनों 90 डिग्री के ही हैं, सो बोथ विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के इक्वल रहेंगे। तो अब हम क्या जान सकते हैं कि द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ प्लेन मिरर, जो इमेज जो हमारी बन रही है, ये इमेज, दिस इज एज फार बिहाइंड द मिरर एज इट इज फाउंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट। ठीक है, इस प्लेन मिरर से इस पॉइंट की जो इमेज बन रही है ये उतनी ही डिस्टेंस पे है जितना कि वो ऑब्जेक्ट खुद इस मिरर से दूर है। ओके, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द इमेज फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर। ये दोनों डिस्टेंस आपके इक्वल है ना। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, दैट द लाइन which join the image of point source, इस point source की और जो इस point source की image बनी है, the line which is joining both is normal to the plane mirror. Normal to the means this is perpendicular on the plane mirror. ये जो line join करेगी S और S dash को, that is perpendicular on the plane mirror. The line S dash bisects means it cuts the plane mirror because SO is equal to OS dash. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के इक्वल हैं, so it bisects it at this point. In the above case, where the two reflected rays AP, this reflected rays, and BQ, when they are going away from each other and when they appear to, जब इसे बैक की तरफ ले आते, it is appear to meet at a point S dash. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो ये रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो गई, but when we turn it backwards, when we produce it backwards, it meet at a point S dash. So S dash, this is not the actual intersection of the reflected ray. This is, यहाँ पे कोई एक्चुअल में इंटरसेक्शन नहीं हो रहा, बट दिस इज द but it is appears to be formed by the intersection of the reflected rays. This is not the real intersection, this is the image of the, it appears to intersect at this point. Such image which is not formed, which is appear to be formed, are known as the virtual image. Okay, so two things are clear, that here is the one thing is the virtual image and another thing is the real image. What is a real image? When an image is appear to be formed through an apparent transaction of reflected ray. जो इस reflected rays हैं AP और BQ, इसके appear होती हैं कि ये अगर ट्रांजेक्ट होंगी at a place, तो यहाँ पे जो इसकी इमेज बनेगी, this image is known as virtual image, और the real image, the image which is formed by the mirror due to the actual intersection of the reflected ray. अगर actual intersection से जो mirror बन रही है, that will be known as the real image, and the image which is formed through the apparent intersection. Okay, always keep this thing in mind, that there will be the apparent intersection, and in the case of real image there will be always the actual intersection. Understood? So these are the two types of image which are get formed by a plane mirror, the virtual image and the real image. I hope this will help you to understand this point clearly. Take care a lot. Have a nice day.